If you haven't tried Camel Milk, you're missing a nutrient-dense skincare powerhouse. It acts as a natural moisturizer, deeply hydrating the skin. It boosts collagen to improve elasticity, reduces wrinkles, and brightens dull pigmentation. Lock in the sun with a laminated glow, with natural fats that penetrate the skin without clogging the pores or leaving a heavy residue. And brightening, with its anti-aging and collagen-boosting properties, Camel Milk contains high concentrations of vitamins and proteins that help smooth fine lines and improve the skin's elasticity, with antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It helps to repair tissue and protect the skin against sun damage. Here's a way to laminate your skin with the glow of spring and summer with Baka Beautiful's Camel Milk infused buttercream and face wash. Leave skin silky, smooth, and beautiful. So if you haven't tried the luxurious, rejuvenating experience of Camel Milk, do so the Baka Beautiful way and have a Baka Beautiful day.